Hey guys, we ate earlier at this place called Le Petit Chef. It tells a story through your plates through the 4 seasons as an interactive dining experience that gets projected onto the table.
It is a love story between a couple and their children, and as they grow, it's a beautiful love story.
It's a unique table. Come and take a look.
We are here at Le Petit Chef and Family. It is an interactive dining experience on the table.
Matching the story of the animation projected on your table. So each video followed by one dish. Okay. So the show starts from the chilled spring pea soup. So it's a chilled soup. It's not usually that we having soup. It's hot. This one is chilled. For your summer, we have snow crab rapale pasta. This is served with the lobster sauce, parmesan cheese, snow crab meat, cherry tomato, sweet corn, and garnished with the fried basil on top. Okay, so for our main course, we have grilled beef filet mignon. This is a beef tenderloin. So there's a cooking point. You can choose how would you like to be done. For the dessert, we have a double chocolate fudge brownie. This is a brownie with walnut, and then topped with vanilla gelato, and then the caramel sauce, chocolate sauce. Okay, so this is the 4-course set sequence of the show. But if one of the show you don't like it, there's an alternative at the back, so you can mix and match according to the season.
Ooh.
Okay.
So if you don't like the
Pea
grilled
soup, you
beef,
can get curry lamb.
yeah, if you don't like the beef, there's a third halibut.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you. How
And
do you
duck.
prefer your meal tonight? But the show is gonna be the
I
extraordinary
get you.
meal.
That's cool.
You get it?
It follows the colors.
Yeah. Any question regarding the menu?
No.
Beautiful.
Okay, so just take a look in the menu first, and I can about to take your order.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you need something, just let me know.
Okay.
By the way, you have any food allergy or some dietary restriction?
No. And what was your name?
Oscar.
Oscar.
From
Okay.
Madagascar.
Madagascar.
Mr. Sudipta is our sommelier.
Just getting to that.
Created by the world-famous artist of skull mapping, original music score by John McLaughlin. Love is the spice of life. We'll never know all its rhymes or reasons. Tonight, get ready for this love's magical journey while enjoying the flavors of the seasons.
First vineyard supply sauce here from Spain, Palo Lolo vineyard, Albarino grape. Yeah.
Do you like this, little bunny? Oh, he loves it. You, merci. De rien.
Merci.
I was gonna say everybody's taping their mommies.
Yes, yeah, bravo. Good job. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Some delicious fresh spinach. Oh. High five. Woohoo.
The immersion.
The crispy lamb asparagus salad.
Get a picture of her
and the chilled spring pieces. Okay, bon
thank
appetit.
you. Bon appetit. So the soup matches the video that was on the screen. It's pretty cool.
Pretty presentation too. Would you like to at least taste it? I'm surprised.
Yeah. You want some? Oh, oui, merci. Délicieux. Oh, look at the beautiful clouds. Oh, that one looks like a little dog. Ah, yes, you're right. Ah, and that one looks like a cruise ship. Oh, yes, I see. Oh, and that one looks like a baby. Oh, yes. And there another baby.
What did they do now?
Yeah,
Huh?
indeed.
What is that crunchy thing? Bacon? No, it's good. It's like a... I forgot what it said on the menu. I gave the menu back.
Okay.
Crunchy.
I think I'm in love with you.
What was the vegetable on the top?
Let's go to pick some
It was a little black spinach.
Spinach is the peas.
Hey, maybe we can cross one day. Yes, I need to learn to cruises on today. One day got to be a chef on a cruise ship. That would be
Shines upon us as we stroll carelessly in the sea and sand. We begin this journey of a lifetime, beautiful together, hand in hand.
Come here, my darling. I got something for you. A surprise. Just turn around. Okay, good.
Footprints in the sand. We did that in Hawaii.
Yeah.
I have been to Hawaii. It's pretty nice.
Okay, now you can look.
I can't do
My darling. I'm so happy.
If we go the second week of January and the third week of January, all the timeshare stuff works. And I don't think Vic's gonna go.
Doesn't he know Chef Keith? Can't go to Chef. Phew. Boy, he was heavy. Doesn't he know Chef Keith? Can't go to Chef. Phew. Boy, he was heavy.
So if they don't want to do the Rocky Mountain thing, we want to still do that if you want to go. I want to go big time.
Yeah, well, we've got a couple big ones this year, don't you?
Yeah, next year. Well, we have time.
Yeah, like 3 weeks in October. Don't lean my shoulder.
Wow. Good job. Beautiful. Well done, my dear. Let's go in, will you? Yeah. Oh, wow. Good job. Beautiful. Well done, my dear. Let's go in, will you? Yeah. Oh, there they are, my two little monsters. I'm gonna get you. Look what I got for dinner, my dear. Yes, they look delicious. Will you like to become the dinner, my darlings? Good. Another one. Yeah.
I'm looking at her hair with the blow torch.
Yes. Come on. Yay! Yippee! Here go. Go to them. Look again. Okay. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Merci. Attention. Be careful. Voilà. Bien. Be careful. Okay, guys. Ready? Jump. 1, 2, 3. Ah, one more. 1, 2,
That's your mouth.
Chérie, have you seen the children? No, I have no idea. Where? Ready? Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
That's so cute.
This is the snow crab pasta. The snow roasted duck breast. And the snow crab papali pasta. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Want a picture?
So this is
She has roses.
I want to see this. There's the leaves.
I work in auction.
Oh, we did the plate changed.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the kids are
I want to see this. There's the leaves.
I work in auction.
Here's the building. Oh. We did the plate changed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the kids are
Come with me, sit down. Oh my God. Bravo.
Fruit ninja.
Very good. You're almost as good as your brother. Oh boy. This is great.
The one they had that was like a cowboy gift when that rope the cattle.
Good to perfection.
Good perfection.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Très bien. Oh boy, this is great.
The one they had that was like a cowboy gift when that rope the cattle.
Good to perfection.
Good perfection.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Très bien. You want the piece? First, you need to do it.
Another sexy ball.
Oh yeah. Good boy. Only if you do something really special this time. That was amazing! You're a super dog!
Oh, we ate the mushroom.
Perfect cherry. Wow, that looks amazing. Just one more thing to make it just right. Wow.
Beef lamignon medium well.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
And this is your third halibut. And the beef lamignon medium. Bon appetit.
Thank you. Did they all go away?
That was amazing. You're a super dog.
Oh, we ate the mushroom.
And the beef lamignon medium. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Careful. Oh, Cherry. Oh, have you ever seen a better ice skater? My God, Come on, family, let's all be chefs together.
Oh, he's taking away the
My trusty big color. Looks delicious.
Everybody all together.
Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, bon appétit! Happy holidays from our family to your family!
In the end, love comes in many shapes and sizes. They all can make you feel so complete. But sometimes love is really big, and sometimes love just petite.
Your double chocolate fudge brownie.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
The cherry almond cake.
Oh, the cannoli? No, it's a
And this is a double chocolate fudge brownie.
inside is very fresh.
Enjoy your dessert.
Thank you. It's a good. Get vanilla. You don't like it. It's a vanilla cake.